This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Pamela Boone Skeeter. You're going to love this well-maintained move-in ready home beautiful hardwood floors in the living room, dining room, den and bedroom. Bonus converted walk-in closet/bedroom. An upgraded kitchen and countertops. Bath has a ceramic tile floor. Replacement windows 2009, roof 2010, HVAC 2020. Spacious fenced backyard great for those fun family gatherings and a cozy back deck. Detached garage with storage. Great location. This home is beautiful and has over 40 years of ownership with so much to offer you have to see it. For more information, review the details below.